Live from your local news source, this is ABC 27 News at 5.
Good evening, I'm Alicia Richards.
I'm Valerie Pritchett. Carlisle is starting the new year by taking aim at the mental health crisis. It will be the first community in Cumberland County to have a co-responder.
Someone to work alongside law enforcement and help people struggling with their mental health. Taylor Tashev joins us in the studio now. Taylor.
Valerie and Alicia, when a call for mental health comes in, police and EMS can only do so much. The borough is looking for someone with a social work background to help connect people to mental health resources.
Unfortunately, mental health calls are a call type that just seems to be exponentially growing year after year.
The new year means a new tool in Carlisle Borough's tool belt to tackle the mental health crisis, a co-responder program.
The co-responder is geared to be really a social worker who is able to help people who are in crisis, whether it's mental health, or substance abuse, or housing, or any of those social issues. Linking them to mental health resources while working hand in hand with law enforcement. A lot of their calls for service involve mental health. Carlisle Mayor Sean Schultz says police are for it. They know that although they have training to deal with these issues, their tools are really law enforcement tools. If there's a safety issue, law enforcement has to make sure that the scene is safe and secure before bringing the co-responder in. And then the law enforcement may sometimes, if it's a safe situation, sort of stage back away from the scene directly and allow the co-responder to go to work. Cumberland Goodwill EMS Assistant Chief Nathan Herrig works in the borough.
Again, we're dealing with a lot of challenges through mental health patients. While we're speaking here, one actually just came through on our notification, and it's at least 3 to 4 that we see a day.
Some of the patients, familiar faces who struggle to connect to resources.
We had one patient in particular who struggled to get inpatient services, and unfortunately that meant that whenever they were in crisis, we were coming out to help them out. Whenever we hear that there's the potential for co-responder programs and inpatient or outpatient centers nearby, we welcome all the help we can get.
The borough budgeted $150,000 for the program. The mayor says they're hoping to fill a full-time position by spring and eventually a part-time position. We have all that information on our website, abc27.com. But for now, live in studio, Taylor Tashev. Val, back to you.
Thank you, Taylor.